Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to make a collage photo on Inshot application. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. So first you will open your Inshot application. So you will open it. So here at the third option there is a collage. You will simply tap on collage. So here you can add 1 to 9 photos. So we will add only 2 photos to make a collage. So you can set from here by touching on the screen, and so if you want one more, so we will add one more. So we have made it the collage photo. So now what you can do is you can add the layouts, which layout you want. So we will add this one. Okay, this one. There are multiple layouts here for a collage photo, so you can set it from here. So you can also add the borders in it by clicking the borders like this, and here is the photo. So when you have done with it, you will simply tap on the tick mark. So you have you are done with your collage photo. So this is the simple process. It's very simple and easy process of making a collage photo. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.